The luxury is in the spaces that gives you a feeling of grandness, openness. It feels big. You can see a lot of nature coming in. The client's brief had a couple of parts to it in this project. I think what they were looking for was like Delhi colonial vibe. Hi, I'm Neha Rajora from Neha Rajora Designs, and today I'm going to walk you through a recently completed project in Gurgaon. For detailed chapters and PDF ebook, visit buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. The project is located in Gurgaon. It's located in a gated community in Gurgaon. The plot area is 5,300 square feet and the built up is 8,000 square feet. The site is a corner plot having 10-meter wide road on either of the sides. So the ideal choice was to create an open garden in an L shape over here. We provided a central access to the house. The entrance foyer was designed as a space that could give you a glimpse of both the luxury and the grandness that this villa was envisioned for. The flooring for this space is cut and laid marble. Ceiling with embroidered wallpaper, and that's again lit up by Murano glass chandelier. And in the front, actually your eyes will take you to this painting, which is a brilliant Tanjore art painting. The foyer connects you to both the formal and informal living spaces, overall bringing the entire house together. This is the formal living area of the house, also a lounge space. So we thought of having like a full length bar unit. What we'd done with the bar unit was that added quite a couple of details to it in terms of the onyx stone top that we have given that lights up, gives a wonderful feel. The overall vibe of the room comes from the wallpaper, which is from Kalakari Haat. The entire purpose was this is more of a family space. This area opens up into the garden that you see. These wide tall windows that we have provided all over, and then the living space extends into the double height dining area, which actually connects the entire house altogether. Then we have this artwork. Now this is a Picchwai, but a textile Picchwai, and that also brings a lot of color to the room. This is a custom made dining table, and what we have done is that we've gotten the inlay work done with mother of pearls and precious stones. This dining space is actually lit by this Murano chandelier. Dining opens to this deck, which is again overlooking the garden. The ground floor bedroom, it opens up into the backyard space, overlooking the greens again. Puja unit is a custom-made marble temple, which is from Tilak Stone Arts. We wanted some kind of inlay work to be done in that. Then they have done a mother of pearls inlay. We've given a sculptural curved staircase that takes you up, and this again is an ornamental feature for the house. The treads are wooden, so there's a contrast from this overall flooring that we have in the house. Okay, so the curved staircase takes you up to this first floor area, which is the private area. If you walk around this passage, what you see is another visual element. That's the big Picchwai painting up And when you go towards the son's bedroom and the home theater area, there is this entire wall that we have done in mirror work paneling. The master bedroom is open from both sides and you have a cross ventilation. The attached rest area and even the bathroom area actually opens into this planter space. The master bedroom pairs ikat wallpaper with classic wall paneling. At the center of it is a 4-poster bed with brass inlay details. The bed itself is upholstered in embroidered fabric, blending Indian textile craft with the architectural order of the room. The son's bedroom is actually envisioned as a second master bedroom. Again, with huge openings, this bedroom is actually something that completely opens into the nature, because when you enter the room, all you see is the views of green all around. In the son's bathroom, we have used Michelangelo marble and we have done fluted wall mounted marble panel. Once you're on the second floor, we have a foyer and home office space. The terrace of the second floor has been planned as an extended social entertaining space. The flooring is done in black granite. What we have done is that we've also given an outdoor bar unit. The last layer or the edge is of a ficus, and there is a 3-layered landscape that we have done in the 2 feet planter space that we had. Timeless luxury for me is, using materials and the palette in a way that, even 10 years down the line or 15 years or 20 years down this line, the space still feels new, it doesn't feel dated. And there is a room for adding to the entire space over the period of time, because every time the client would come in, they would like to add a piece here and there, and this house has the space for that. You can just fill it up more. It's already filled up with a lot of things, but it still has a room to add a lot of personal touches here and there.